Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the second regular puzzle, a four-star Sudoku in today's newspaper on Thursday, January the 16th, 2025. And I've already solved one puzzle, the three-star Sudoku, so two puzzles remain, the JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, and this one, the four-star Sudoku. By the way, in today's newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles, 4 of them I will solve not now but in the evening. Now I will continue with this puzzle. And what's the news of today? Well, ceasefire. Well, I don't think there will be a ceasefire. There's an agreement at the moment, but for ceasefire for 6 weeks, but the war is still going on, and I believe today they have also bombed the civilians in Gaza, so it will be difficult. All right, this one, number 9914, and before I start I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. 25. Usually the 4-star Sudoku has 24. This one has a 1 digit more. Should be a 3 stars. A 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with the 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars or 3 stars puzzle? That's the question. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. Yeah. How about those are different, those numbers. Need a 7 here. I need a 9 there. Well, 8 and a 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left, 1 3 should be here. Or there, we have a 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 2 2 1 1 9 9. Need a 7 here. Come on. This is taking too long. I need a 1 here. 9. Come on. This is taking too long. 3 3. What's happening? 2. What's happening? 1 Come on. Need 1 here. Must be a hidden number here. Yeah. 3. Come on. I'm stuck. I cannot believe this. I'm stuck. 6. 2. What a 2 here? No. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above, so that row, the only place left with 2 should be there. So now 3 missing numbers in this big square. Oh, correction, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 in these 2 boxes. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left with 1 in this big square. Should be there. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left with 1 should be here. On there, we have 1 in the last column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. Alright. Then 1. Yeah. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here. Or there, we have 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Then let's see. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 in these two boxes, so 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there, so 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8, we have 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, the 8 goes there. Then, let me see. 8. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 in these 3 boxes. We have an 8 in the middle column, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Shoot it down. 8, 8. 8, 8. Okay. Then, let me see. 7 here. 1, 2, 3, need a 4, need a 5, need the 9, 4, 5, 9. 9. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have 3 in the last row, no 3 in these 2 boxes. We have 3 in the last column, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Shoot me down. 3, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Need a 4, 4. Need a 8. Need a 9. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 4, 8, 9. 4, 8, 9, 4, 8, 9, 4, 8, 9. And look, we have 4 and a 9 in this column. So no 4 and a 9 in this box. 4 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 9 in this one, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 8. 8 in this column, 8 in a column next to last column. No need to place level 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above. No need to place level 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in the third column. No, sorry, we have an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. And I need 8 here, and I need 8 there. Okay. 8, 3, 5, 8, 3, 5, okay. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column, so the first column, only 3 places left. 1 9 should be here, here, or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. We have a 9 in the last row, no 9 there. Only place level 9 should be there. 1 box left now in this row for number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 6, okay, 6. 6, okay. 6, 6. Let's see the 7 here. Yeah. I'm thinking the 9 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And all the 9s are used. I can't see digit number 1, number 9. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the middle column, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 in that box. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. 1 box left in this column for the number. The 1, the 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6 is missing. 5 and 6, 5 and 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes here. Also, 2 numbers left in the middle column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6. 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. That means 1 digit left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Alright. Then let me see. How about this should be also one. No 7 here. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 in these two boxes. We have a 7 in the middle row, so no 7 in that box. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those two boxes in this column, 7 in the column next, so last column. The only two places level 7 could be here, could be there. 7, need a 2, need a 6 also. 6, okay. How about the 3 in this column, last column, 3 in the column next, on that column, the only two places level 3 goes together with the 7 as a pair. 3 in the 7, 3 in the 7. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 7 goes there. 3. Okay, and the 2 in this row, 2 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place level 2 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 to 2, 3 to 4, 5 is missing, 6 is missing, 5 and 6, 5 and 6. Let me mark those two boxes. So we have a 6 in this column, 6 in one of those two boxes in the column next to the last column. The only two places level the 6 goes together with the 7 as a pair. 6 and 7, 6 and 7. We have a 6 in the second row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this column. 4 numbers to 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Let me mark those two boxes. Here also 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers to 1 and the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing, 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 4 in the second row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then, let me see. You know, 4 here, and I need a 3 here. Here we have a pair, 6 and a 5. That means 1 digit left in this row. 4 number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 6, 5 and a 6. 7 is missing. 7. Yeah, 7 is missing here. 7 in this row, 7 in row below, so last row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 1 box left now in the last row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing here. Then 4. 3, 5, 8. 3, 5, 8. No. 4. Need a 2 here. Well, we need, well, in this row, the second row, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number in the second row is number 2. Well, here can be 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. Here can be 2. We have a 2 in the second column, so no 2 there. The only place left with 2 in this second row should be there. So 2 numbers left now in the second row for numbers the 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left with 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, and the 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column, so the third column. Only 2 places left with the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. So 6 and a 5. 6, 5, and need a 4 here. Okay, 1, 2. Need a 4 here. How about the need a 1 here? About these 2 missing numbers in this column. For numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there. Two missing numbers now in this big square. For the numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in the first column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes in there. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places left, the 6 should be here. Or there, we have a 6 in the first column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. Two numbers left now in the, no, one number left in this second column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, no, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing here. 7 and 2, we have a 7 now in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now in the third row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 6 and a 5, we have a 6 now in the middle row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5 and a 6, we have a 6 now in this row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. And the final two numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, 4, the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 1 goes there. 15 minutes. Well, not faster. Not faster. So let me give this a 2 stars. Yeah, otherwise it will be a 1 star if I'm faster than 50 minutes. But we solved again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last regular puzzle, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.